Let's see one disadvantage of queue, guys. Let's say I have a queue like this. Okay, so it's empty. So let me enqueue some elements. Let me enqueue 5, 10 and 15. And what's my real value now? Okay, I'll enqueue 20 also. What is my real value? My real value becomes 3, right? Because it's 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, alright. So and my front value is 0. Understand that front value is 0. Okay, so if you want to dequeue elements, let me dequeue 5 first. So if you dequeue 5, front value becomes 1. I'll write that later. Dequeue 10 also, dequeue 15 also. What is the front value now? Front value also becomes 3, right? Also becomes 3. Alright, so this is my front value now. Okay, so now after you insert on one more element 25, okay, if you insert one more element, say 25, you can enqueue one more element, right? You can enqueue one more element 25. Okay, and you make this rear to be 4. You make this rear to be 4 now. Okay, so I just want to enqueue one more element, guys. 30. Is it possible now? Is it possible? Can you say is there is an empty space? Okay, no, of course these 3 are empty only. We have dequeued elements, but the disadvantage here is we can't go back and insert elements here, guys. Okay, once inserted and deleted, that's it. Okay, you can't go back. Okay, you can only increment rear in this direction, so there is no another empty space here. So this condition is called as queue overflow condition. Okay, queue overflow condition. I hope you remember about stack overflow. This is same as like that. Okay, queue overflow condition. Alright, so please have this in mind. You even if the queue is empty in this direction, you can't insert that. Okay, you can't insert any elements. Once used, will not be used again. So you have to insert only in this direction. So that's one of the biggest disadvantages of having queue. Of course, this disadvantage is overcome by some other type of queue called as circular queue and things like that. But we are not going to discuss about that in this course. Okay, so I hope queue is very clear to you, and we'll execute the enqueue and dequeue algorithm in the next video. Okay, enqueue and dequeue algorithm. Thanks a lot, guys.